Hi and welcome to a FortiWeb tutorial video on preventing the use of weak cryptographic algorithms. Weak cryptographic algorithms are easy for attackers to break, putting sensitive information at risk. Attackers can steal encryption keys or take advantage of flaws in the system to read the data or commit fraud. This threatens the security and trust of the information being protected. FortiWeb supports several robust encryption capabilities, including a wide range of TLS protocols, various encryption types such as RSA, DSA, and ECDSA, and predefined cipher groups like Mozilla Modern and Mozilla Intermediate. To configure secure sockets layer and transport layer security protocol and encryption, navigate to Policy and go to Server Policy. Click Create New and select Create HTTP Policy. Enter the name of the new policy. Select the virtual server and server pool and the necessary HTTPS services. Expand the Advanced SSL settings and edit the SSL connection settings. Enable all the TLS options. For the SSL/TLS encryption level, select Customized and select the ciphers you would like to use. Once you're done customizing your encryption level, click OK to complete the advanced settings. Finally, select the certificate and click OK to complete the configuration. Here are the available ciphers that FortiWeb offers. To select predefined cipher groups, navigate to Server Policy and edit the policy. Expand the Advanced SSL settings and edit the SSL connection settings. Enable the SSL cipher group option. From the SSL cipher group dropdown, you have the option to select predefined cipher groups like Mozilla Modern or Mozilla Intermediate, or select custom cipher groups. In this example, we will use the Mozilla Modern cipher group that is configured for the highest level of security. Click OK to save the advanced settings. Then click OK again to complete the process. Thank you for watching.